All right, good morning, good morning. Welcome everybody. Welcome to part two of live trading session with TWA. My name is Moji. We got Cloud on the line. What's up, Cloud?
What's up, man?
Not much. I see Cloud, fill us in how the Discord went so everybody who wasn't there can see how it works.
One more time, bro. I'm sorry.
Let everybody know how the live Discord trading went.
Oh man, today was very, very good. I caught a long right off open. That went about like 60, 80 points. And then we tried longs down here at the 510, 514 area. Well, I tried longs like three times. I actually exited out of that last trade because I was just fatigued. But that last trade did go as high as 70 points. I mean, it's still running now. If you were still in that trade, I just took profit.
Mhm. Let's see, we got TPOs turn on and off. We got bearish weakness on the IVD. Yeah, green candles. Green, green, green. All right. Let's see. I might take my first trade right now.
We have a lot of resistance up here though, so
Take a trim pretty quickly.
yeah.
This one up. Come on, give me that trim. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Trim. All right. Risk free on this trade. First trade of the day. Let me make sure this is looking right. It's not on. 3. Get that for 20. See if I can get it for 20 points. Let's see. I don't like the way that's not moving.
If we can get into the 600s, I think your trade will definitely run a little bit more.
Again, I think NQ likes your voice, man. I don't know what it is. Don't know what it is. Every time you talk, the bulls come in, man. I don't know what happens.
Hey man,
It's like it's almost like your sentiment just bleeds across through all financial sectors. I'm moving it to break even because I just don't like the way it's moving.
I should have. Yeah,
See, I told you, I
these are
liked your voice.
these are days. It's like damn, I should have stayed, but that's all good, man. I made my money. I didn't really like the way I traded. Um, Around like 10 o'clock and 10:20. I took three trades in the same area. You know.
You know, I'm gonna do the same thing for all of them. I'm gonna give up to myself profit targets. I don't have to.
We're bullish. Man, I've been trading my live Bitcoin and my funding futures a lot lately, or a lot this weekend.
Have
that
you? Well, go ahead. Keep going. I don't want to.
Now that account is up. Like yesterday, I traded that account last night. I mean, not last night, but the night 30 micros, and like I let 10 micros run damn near for the whole entire day. And at the end of the day, with those runners hitting $3,000. And yeah, and today right now, I'm in 5 minis that I still have running right now, and let's just say I'm up 50 points on those 5 minis.
Nice. There we go. Let us know when you do take a payout. Let us know how that process was. Yeah, so I'm still in this long line because I had a buy signal here. Uh, the probably oscillator crossed, turned green. Yep, there you go. Take me out. That's fine. Not surprised because we hit right here where there was resistance. Not too shabby. One trade in. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Is off to the races.
Bullish. None. They're still in range. Okay. Nice. Very
Again, I'm not, the 600s is something I called out, and it's like I needed to get above it. Until then, I don't really see us really making too much noise. Above the 600s, I think we can really fly for real. Like I think we can really fly. We need to get comfortably. We need to get into the 630s.
Mhm. Nothing here.
I promise you, the Discord was a lot more active than this.
Well, yeah,
This
because
right
this is the
for all the pattern traders, this is a double top right here that we're experiencing, or you even call it triple top for all the pattern traders. If we create a new high on this triple top, then I feel like we may have found a new support area. Oh, somebody said he just blew his he just blew his forensic from his eval. Ooh.
nice. Here comes the weakness. All right, let's see what we got on the dashboard. We have a hard time from long. No order. Bullish reversal. Still time to get in. Let's see what the plan says. Again, this is where the. All right, so we got a resistance area right above us. Let's see if we can stay above 580. Let's see here. We're heading anywhere. There's a view app right here.
It's a lot of weakness up here, man. But I wonder, is this gonna be a true triple top, or I mean, I'm done for the day. You know, I made my little monies. I'm done for the day. But I wonder if this is gonna be a true triple top or not. All right, we're back up here. Let's see this again. The 600s is where I want us to be in. 630. The 630s is where I think we can create a stronger newer high. A lot of resistance up here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see.
All right. Remember, I said the 600s will be a good area. The 630s will be a nice strong area. But again, between 638 and 650, that was the area yesterday during the New York morning session that we were struggling with. You know, But for some reason, I feel like today we may be able to bust through it.
I think it's gonna fly. I think we just got to get past, like you're saying, the 600s. I think let's see. I think we got to get up to 630s. That's what you were saying, right?
Hmm.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm flat. I'm done trading for the day, you guys. Just being completely transparent, with everybody listening to me. No, for real. Like all I have left is my runners on my live account on my funded futures, but I'm not taking any more new entries at all whatsoever. And I just trimmed majority of those contracts.
I think that's for you, Club.
What happened?
Asking, have you considered trading your practice account and continuing trading for the day?
I have so many live accounts. I mean, not live. No, only have one live account, but I have a lot of funded accounts. No more eval, so it's like, you know. mm, I mean, me calling out trades for y'all is similar to me, taking a like a paper trade or a practice trade.
So we can see. Ooh, wow.
Nasdaq does not want to get into the 600s right now comfortably. I'm still watching it, you know.
Mm-hmm. It's peaking. It's touching it. There's nothing here, man.
Let's see the market want to get some follow through here. I don't know if it does though.
Where are these?
She want to come down.
Is that
I think we can have a little bit more room up here. I'm long. I know I said what I said. My 30-minute lockout time was up. So I said, F it, let me just try something real quick. Let me see. We are getting kind of toppy up here though. That's the only thing I'm worried about right now. Ooh, we like it.
Okay. I think it's breaking through that resistance it's trying to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that was a
Yes,
quick 50
sir.
points.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. NASDAQ. I know I said I was done, but hey, yeah. Because once those orders stack up, it's just like the market, you know what I mean? Hey, the market wants to go. It's just trying to find some type of momentum. I'm gonna move my TP up. Up, 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 up. Oh, ooh.
Reversal. this here?
Flopped. You know what? The smart thing to do is to lock myself out of this account, right? That would
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
because I told myself I wasn't going to take that trade, and I took it, made some money. All right. The 630 is where I wanted to be comfortably in. That's why I took my trim up there. I'm glad I did. I still got this one mini running on my Funny Futures live account.
Since New York or before then?
Since New York. Since New York. I'm trying to be patient for 11:30 because I think our next move is not gonna come until 11:30. I do like how we're right at the 600, but it's like, man, can we do something Nasdaq? Once those evidence lines turn green on the 5 and 50 second, I will be looking to go long again. This time with 5 micros.
Oh, that's good. I like to see that surge building. That's good to see. The red surge on 30-second. Oh, hello. A little sell-off happening.
Is
Sell-off
it?
action.
I'm gonna move my stop up on 50. I'm taking 50 points on this live account. I'm done off the live account.
I'm taking this short.
You are?
I got to.
Money's on right here on the 32nd, though.
Yeah, this is a scalp. This is a scalp. Just,
Okay, 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 okay,
everybody,
okay.
it's a scalp. Got it. Good.
Oh, yeah, all the evidence lines are red, too.
Yeah.
5 to the 1 minute.
It's just a scalp, just because the triggers, everything was looking nice. Hit TP1, that's all I wanted. Because what indicators do you guys like to use for your analysis? So Horatio, the indicators I use for analysis are it's first thing I use is a 15-minute chart. Then um, I use the market structure, and I use one one of the mentorship only uh, indicators called the SRB, and that's all I use for analysis because that gives me a lot of information, a lot of information. I can tell a lot just by with those two indicators on a 15-minute time frame. How about you, Cloud?
I use the 4 hour, um, the pullback for the analysis, 4 hour pullback, surge, and two mentorships, two mentorship indicators.
Yeah, I mean for that question, if you're in the mentorship, I'll be glad to answer it fully in full detail. But that's what I use for analysis because how we are taught using that information, it it's simplified everything for me that I only need two, maybe three indicators at most for analysis.
We're hugging his money zone. Looks like buyers are trying to step in. 5 second evidence line did turn green. I'm gonna take a stab here. 5 micros.
Yeah, 580 is the mark. If it can stay above 580, you know, that's the long. That's my long level. If it gets below and stays below 580, then we either could be ranging or it's gonna need to find a new support.
Come on now, Zach. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped out soon. Still in that trade. Let's see what happens here. Still holding for dear life. Not gonna lie. Okay. I want to get out this area, honestly. Like, I want to get back into 600s.
And at 580 again. If it stays above here, that's bullish.
Come on, man. You're playing with my emotions. We have Qualcomm this afternoon and ARM for earnings on the tech side. I don't like the 5 to 50 second evidence lines did turn red again. I don't like that. You do have 4 minutes until my favorite time of the market.
Your favorite time of the market. That's funny.
Okay, first trim, 1 micro off the table. I'm gonna take another micro off the table, actually. So I got 3 micros left. I'm not taking no more trim. I want to see 100 points.
Let's go. 580, man.
I got some
580s.
drawdown there. You know, that's my first trade I've had on live that actually had drawdown. So no, all my trades don't just run. You know, I do experience a lot of pain. You know, like I do experience pain sometimes. But these new indicators that we're going to, there's an indicator that we're going to pass down to you guys. That's what kind of helped me stay in the trade.
Let's see if we can get back to 630.
Mm. Are you not entertained?
25.
Are you not entertained? Let's go, Nasdaq.
Let's hit this one. Okay, let's see. TPOs are back to green.
And Horatio asked me about the analysis chart. This trade, my analysis chart helped me with this trade. Your mentorship, you know what a moving average we had here. Also, the 4 hour close. Also, I had weekly levels, and then I had my stop below 550.
Yeah, also we couldn't get in, like there's so much here that we couldn't go through. Again, that's the mentorship advantage, I guess you could say.
Ooh, we're long. Let's go.
I'm gonna move my TP up a little bit.
Oh, you went long? Come
Oh,
on,
yeah.
Mo.
Yeah. I put it on my chart, that red arrow. I mean, sorry, the green
Oh, did
arrow.
you? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm not looking at the stream. I'm trying to
Yeah, trying to
see
manage
if I can
trade.
be a millionaire today, man.
Here. Bring that right in here. Let's see if we can get to. Let's get crazy. Let's see if we can get to 650, maybe 640.
Points for me. That's 50. That's 50 points for me. I'm happy. See, oh man, I may have to take a break trading because it's like I'm getting to that point where it's like every trade I take is getting 50 to 100 points, and the last time every time that's happened to me, I've had one day where I just go on tilt, and then next thing I know, I have a month to just draw down. Who's in this with me?
Anybody in long? Anybody in long? Let's go. Come on, man. Come on. All right, Jason's in long with us.
Let's go, Jason. I may have to just hide my TP or just move it up so much because I think. Again, remember what I said about the 638 and 650 area? I'm moving don't move my TP up. I'm taking my TP away from the screen. I'm gonna move it up so far that I can't see it. Remember what I said about the 638 and 650? This area right here is where we had a lot of resistance yesterday. I want to get into this area again. I want to test this area. Like I want to see if we can get a strong push above it. Right now I'm risk free. If we get a pullback, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I still have some micros on the table.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, man.
I should have been done for the day.
Let's go. Let's see. No, we're still good. I don't see any reason. I don't see any reasons. We're hitting right against. Okay, 633.
Yeah, we are. That's why I move my stops up.
What's this at? 610. 610.
Oh, tapped out of one of my micros. Oh man, come on, Nasdaq. Why are you doing this to us today, man?
All right, my stop is at 610. See if
I'm
we
at
get
580, 581 to be exact for my
580 is clean. You like that's the we've been bouncing off of that this whole move up. I'm in pretty heavy, so that's why my TP's at 610. I mean, sorry, not my TP, my stop loss. This is I have one mini running right now.
Mo is heavy.
I'm looking to
Mo,
get
I'm
to
loving how heavy you've been
650.
going lately, man. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Like that just shows that your system is working out. You're sticking to your game plan. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, and I have rules set too, right? Like if I don't hit my TP1 in my first like in my first trade, I scale down right away until I find my timing. Like I don't even mess around. But what's helping me is um I got back on track finding the direction. Especially with that dashboard lesson we had last Friday. That's really helped me get back on track to understand and ignore other signals. Oh yes, come on. Here we
don't
go.
jinx it. Don't jinx it, Mo. Don't
I don't
jinx
jinx
it.
anything, man. I'm looking at my chart and I'm seeing what I'm seeing. I'm like, okay, this is good news. Now let's continue the good news. I'm looking right at the chart. It's probability, man. There's nothing definite, but I'm just saying the probabilities are in my favor at this moment in time. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
It's always good when we make money together on the
Let's
same
go. Come
direction.
on. Yep, I don't see anything that's got me worried. Nothing on the analysis that's got me worried. Looking pretty good. We just gotta see what the Bulls want to do here. See if other people agree and want to continue pushing this price in our direction. That's what I'm looking for. Just agree with me. That's all I want.
All right, we're in the 630s. This is where I wanted to be. Remember, I called out the 630s. 650 is the weekly level. I think we may have a little pullback there, but I don't think it's gonna be that much. I don't want to jinx it, but I'm looking at the 30-second chart right now in a 1 minute. We might have a slight pullback up here. Hey, I'm on live. All right. Please tell me you guys are
Let's
entertained.
go.
Please tell me you guys are
Let's go.
entertained. Come
Come
on.
on.
Tell me you guys are entertained right now. I'm nearing 100 points
Yes.
on. Oh,
God, I needed that. Excuse me. Woo. I
just
needed
know
that.
if I ever say that I'm done trading and I still hang around you guys, I'm not done.
Let's go. Oh man. All right. I'm Xing out. I get that's
You exit out? No. Let it,
no no
let it
no
take you out.
no
Let it
no
take you out. Let it take you out. Let it take
no.
you out.
I'm not meaning like it took the TP. Because remember,
Hmm.
I had a TP where I wanted it to go.
Oh yeah, you're scalping. I forgot you're
Yeah,
scalping.
so it hit it, and I'm good. And I hit the profit target on this one too. Nice, nice. Oh man, that was awesome. Thank you for all the buyers who are agreeing with me on this one. Thank you. I really appreciate you. So
Oh,
I
profitability is
had
half the volume of Mo's. Oh,
I mean I held this mini for Jesus. I think it's 100 points. No, almost. I
yeah.
would
I'm
say
30 minutes
eight,
behind.
20. Yeah, well, 80 points.
Mo's been killing it lately, man. I don't think you guys understand, man.
Maybe.
This guy's been killing it lately.
This February's been nice to me. I've been able to see February better. It's no coincidence either. All right, so now I get to go over the trade. So, why did I go in this long here? This goes back to Horatio's question about analysis. Let me just take this off because I can't show that. Put that on. And I'll show you here. So, 580. It's gonna snow here. Boo. Anyway, 580, which was here, right? So 580 was important. It was a important level. If you're in the mentorship, you go to the SRB indicator. You're gonna see something there. It's called storyline. I think it's called storyline, or no, or measured edge, something like that, right? If you look at that, it it basically called out this level for us, right? And that's what it did. That's the power of these indicators. And if you look at how price, you see how this is, this was the open, right? We were trying to get up here. You see how we rejected off of this resistance box here, right? And you can even see it like literally from 4:30 this morning. We've been on a climb up. This is where it got a little choppy, right? Once we got through this noise, right? You notice how you see right here. I think this is, I want to say cloud got in here too. I'm not sure.
What
Maybe
level is
more.
that?
I want to say, was it around like the 550s you got in
No,
the
I
morning?
wish. I wish. The 70s, the
70s.
low
Okay.
70s, the 73 to be exact.
All right.
I
So
did face a little bit of drawdown, so
yeah, so it was so that's what you're seeing here. You see it wicked down, but then as soon as it broke through, the next 15-minute candle made a new structure high, which is great. So, and this is my game plan, you know, from here to here, basically, right? Um, Now expect some, pulling back, which is the 660s, 670s area. Right? Expect that to pull, hit some resistance because yesterday, that's where this is yesterday's market. See how we just, as soon as we hit it, we kind of shot through. But I'm expecting if this is moving like this, I would expect this to break through that level and rest on top. That's my expectation. If we can get through this junk here, I think we can break this level, and then um, if we stall on top of it, that which is a great sign. That means if we could do it today, you could probably long today. If not, tomorrow, you can look for longs above this level. And then if you look on the trigger chart, let's see. So let me just move this over so you can see it. You look at this one here. Do this. There you go. Okay. Basically, this was that. It was a 4-hour close. It was also the 580 level, right? I got in like right after this Gabby button. Let me just move this over so you can see it. So there's a blue button here. Once I saw that blue button, I saw the surge weak evidence lines. You notice how everything else is green. And then I got in, hit TP1, and then I rode the other one for, I had a TP2 at a certain number, and I hit it. So, very, very nice trade. Had to be very patient though. Had to wait through all this. Like this is a good entry here. Let me see if it's a good entry. Let me make sure I'm telling you the truth. Let's do this live here. Where would the good entry be? So we have opposite surge here, here, here. That cross. Yeah, so right here, you see this button right here? Oh, this would have been perfect. Look at that. Right off the cheap box. I wouldn't be surprised if Adam got in this trade. Or DC or somebody, because it's all lined up here. So you have the cheap box. See how we couldn't go in? That's a bullish sign. We had
Yeah, those are the longs I took. Is that like 514 area?
Yeah.
Yep. Those are the longs I took 3 times.
You can see it right here. We couldn't get in, and then finally by the third time, boom, it exploded. And then you were the button followed by the buy. If you've been on the live call for a while, you understand when you see these two happen, you usually get a fairly significant move. And you can see it did. It pulled back, couldn't get below the 4-hour. This is where I was able to get in. And now it is flying. That's gonna be a 100-point trade. I ain't gonna lie. I left it at 80 points for consistency rule.
You on my friendly futures today?
Yeah. Because with Top Step, I'm testing what we're trying to roll out soon.
Mm-hmm.
And the parameters are up to 2, just like what we talked about, up to 2 minis or 20 micros. And my goal is to get a profit target of $500 a day, and then it locks out. So I'm starting on the eval. See if I can get that to whatchamacallit, an XFA, and then test it again on XFA. I think I should dress like a Miami businessman more often when I trade. This is good stuff.
Black shirt.
Black shirt, light pants in the middle of winter. I like that. This might be the new look.
I'm moving my stops up a little bit more, lock in some of these profits here on these remaining 3 micros.
Yeah, and I apologize if Cloud sounds a little low today. It's only because, true transparency. I don't have my headphones because I don't know where my daughters put them, so I gotta find them later today. But it'll be fixed tomorrow. I don't know where they are. I'm like, where did she put them? I can't find them anywhere. Then we're gonna get snow and ice here. After this live, it definitely gotta
Oh
go.
wow! I just looked up. We're flying.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we broke out. See the X. So for the everybody on YouTube, you see the X right here. That's called the breakout X. Now that's not an entry sign, just so you know. Like you should not be entering when you see a breakout X, because there could be a fake out right after it. So you always want to be careful. But if you're in it, it's another confidence builder that these indicators are built to provide the trader as, okay, you have a breakout.
Godly.
Yeah. And you're still in that 1 mini for the live account, right?
Yes. No. Remember, exit out.
Oh,
Exit
okay.
out. Exit out. I know. I'm mad because I could have made an extra like 1,500. But hey. I'm
It's all
happy
right.
with the money.
It's all right.
I have these three. I have these 3 micros still running, so it's a little something. For the context, these 3 micros are up a little over $500, $600. So just show you the power of micros. Oh, we're over 100 points right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's nice.
Weekly level up here. Weekly level up here. I'm moving my stops up even more. I might just take a micro off the table here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move a stop up to the bottom of super expensive box, and I'm gonna let the market take that micro off. Are you not entertained? Like I'm gonna keep saying that. We are literally like like between me, you, and DC. I don't think there's been a day over the past 3 weeks that one of us has not caught a 100-point trade.
Either caught the part of it or called it out. Like literally, like because like sometimes let's be honest, like you could be late, right? You could be late to the party, but okay, you didn't catch 100, but you call it 70, you call 50, you call 30. That's not too bad. That's not bad at all. Because you always got to take everything into perspective, right? Like in my case, going from not even hitting a 7 point TP1 to now, seeing and finding, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 150, sometimes 200 on a great day, like, yep, we just hit 700. Yep, there's really, let's go to this one. Here we go. So see, I told you, we blew right past this. Now I can see us now trying to settle here a bit before the next leg. But look, this is just a straight slingshot. Look at this thing. Bang.
What's even better is the indicators that we're about to drop. Oh, green backgrounds. I may have to remove my stop. I move it back down. But the good thing about these indicators that we are launching off to you guys soon, it gave me a perfect entry at like the Oh, 573. So, but I entered before then. Okay. Well, I mean, so I'm sorry. The indicator gave us like a signal. Had I waited maybe another 2 minutes, I would have got in right when the indicator gave me the signal, and that would have been zero drawdown, 100 points.
Mhm.
I did get in a little premature based off some other indicators.
I gotta take a picture of this.
It sucks that we're already in the super expensive box now. I wanted us to get to 800. I mean, let's see what happens. Yeah, Mo. I mean, honestly, I feel like we're done. I'm gonna let this. I only have one micro left on the table. I'm gonna let it run.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll wrap this up right now. So again, guys, let's see where we are right now. You can see on the dashboard, uh, we have long, orders none, but session control is bullish, as we can see. Reversal, that means, you know, that's what made me feel okay to enter here. If it was pulled back with trend, then that's a different story. There's some more things to do. But once it had reversal, so and we saw we couldn't go back under the 4 hour close. It's a good opportunity. You can see we had a blue button. Just push this one a little bit bigger. You see the blue button was here, which was right where that arrow was, and then off it went. It finally broke through the resistance and just took off. All right, so tomorrow we have a regular schedule. We'll be here, regular time for open pre-market analysis. All right, until then, Cloud, anything in closing?
Let's hit 100 points tomorrow, you guys.
All right, so everyone,
That's it, man.
exactly.
But no, but on a real serious note though, we do have earnings this afternoon again. Another major tech earnings this afternoon. We have Fed speakers at 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 7:30 p.m. tonight. Tomorrow major news in the morning. But I'm gonna say this: tomorrow afternoon we have Amazon, we have Pinterest, and we have Affirm.
Jeez,
Do not,
they should love your voice, man.
huh?
As you're talking, it jumped 15 points.
I know. But yeah, so it's like we have big, it's, like what I said earlier this week is I'm taking it kind of easy and light, even though I have it yet, but we have so much news and earnings this week. Do not blow your account. Do not rush your trades. If you're feeling kind of hesitant, if you have FOMO and you want to get into a trade, 1, 2 or 5 micros max. Manage your positions. Like, let's be profitable this week, man. Let's be profitable.
Exactly. All right, everybody. All right, with that, thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care.
Deuce.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control.